Hi, it's Owen and Max from MTG Gamers. Today's video will be on a review of Theros mechanics, Escape, Devotion, Constellation, and Sagas.
The first section is Escape. Escape is really cool. It allows you to play cards from your graveyard by exiling other cards from your graveyard. It is cool because you can keep playing cards that have escaped over and over. Also, a lot of cards benefit from escaping, like Uro, Titan of Nature's Wrath, and Pelucranos, World Eater. Escape helps you get card advantage and replay cards.
Our next mechanic is Devotion. Devotion is a really good ability that they are bringing back from the old Theros set. It allows monocolored cards to do some crazy things with cards like Nyx Lotus to generate a bunch of mana, and cards like the Grey Merchant of Asphodel that can finish out a game quickly. Theros has a lot of cards that benefit off Devotion, so it is really good for a standard deck.
Constellation is our next mechanic. Constellation gets triggered whenever an enchantment enters the battlefield. Since Theros Beyond Death is a mostly enchantment-based set, this is a really good ability. One of the best cards with Constellation is Cetessan Champion. Whenever an enchantment enters the battlefield, put a +1/+1 counter on it and draw a card. Constellation is really good and fun to build around.
Our last mechanic is Sagas. These are really cool cards because they generally don't cost very much mana because of how their abilities are spread out among turns. And when they do cost a lot of mana, like in the case of Kiora Best the Sea God and Elspeth Conquers Death, they are just like insanely good. Killing a thing, then bringing back a thing in the same card, that's just insane.
That's all for the video. Comment what we should do next.
Bye.